Okay, I'm going to show you how to solve square root equations on the NSpire. Basically, here's what you need to do. If you look, we're going to solve the equation 5 plus square root of x minus 3 equals 9. So what I'm going to do is go to a new document. I'm going to go to add calculator. And so for my equation, I'm going to go menu, 3, and then numerical solve. So I'm going to type my equation in, which was 5 plus square root of x minus 3 equals 9. Oops. And notice I didn't press over, so I'm still under the square root. So I got to press the over key to get out of the square root. And now when I do the equals 9, I'll be okay. Now, make sure you hit comma and then x, just like what you did before, and hit enter. And so I get x equals 19. Now if I need to verify it, I can do 5 plus square root of 19 minus 3, press over to get out of the square root, equals 9, and it'll tell me true or false. Now if you did the notes for the second one, notice the second equation, we have an x on both sides, so this will actually end up giving us two solutions. So what I'm going to have to do is when I type this in, so I'm going to go menu 3-1 again, and so for my equation I have square root of x plus 5 minus 3 equals x. Now I actually had two answers for this when we worked it by hand, but if you see, we're actually only going to get one. So I'm going to go square root of x plus 5 minus 3 equals x, and then do your comma x, and I get x equals -1. Now to check it, once again, I just retype it in. So square root of -1 plus 5 over minus 3 equals -1, and it checks out true. What I got as an erroneous solution that doesn't fit in the bank or the domain was this. If I go, because I had -4 was a possible solution, plus 5 minus 3 equals -1, or -3, sorry. Notice it comes up false. So that's how to solve with the NSpire. If you want to do it by graphing, go home, go to graph, and then my first equation was, let's see, square root of x plus 5 minus 3, there's that graph. And then if I press tab to type in the second part of the equation, which was x, notice it only crosses in one spot. So what I could do now is go menu, analyze, intersection, and then I'm going to narrow down where it crosses. I'm going to click on the left, click on the right, and notice there's my intersection, which x equals -1.